Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 24th of March 2025. Let me just change this here really quick. 2025, and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX, or the S&P 500, for the upcoming expiry on the 28th of March 2025. The max OI level is lower for both, that's negative, CE and PE. Quantity is higher for PE, that's positive. Quantity change is higher. Sorry, 1 second, let me fix this. Yeah. Quantity change is higher for CE, but it's higher for CE and PE, but it's much higher for PE, that's positive. Short squeeze is higher for PE, that's negative. PCR is extremely overbought, that's negative. Implied volatility is lower, that's positive. Historical volatility is higher, that's negative. RSI is lower, that's negative. There is a divergence, that's negative. MACD is negative. DMI is bearish, which is negative. ADX is higher, which is negative in this case, since it's going down. Not negative, but it's bearish. ATR is higher, that's bearish as well. Both the 20 period EMA is lower, that's negative. The 50 period EMA, 50 week EMA in this case, is actually a little higher, that's still positive. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is lower, that's negative. Candlestick is neutral. The current support is 5,650. The previous week's support was 2 weeks ago support was 5,800. The current resistance is 5,700, and the previous resistance was 5,750. And the overall prediction is that the S&P 500 goes down. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.